Right now, President Trump's policies are making a big impact here in the metro. More than 33,000 people have been arrested or detained by immigration officials in the first 50 days of the Trump administration.
And recently, ICE agents entered El Patro Mexican restaurant in Liberty, where 12 people were arrested or detained. Now, many immigrants in our community are wondering what will happen next.
KMBC 9's Jackson Kurtz sat down with a woman who's been trying to become a legal citizen for years.
Yo vine desde muy chiquita, como de los 13 años.
I came here when I was little, around 13. I'm 33 now, so like 20 years. I've lived half of my life here in the U.S.
Every day, she keeps her head on a swivel.
Siento que en cualquier rato me van a deportar.
It could happen at any moment, and I am very frightful. I've been so worried that my life can change at any moment.
That change is a real fear for S. That's the alias she gave us. She didn't want to use her real name or reveal her identity in fear ICE would find out who she is and deport her.
Es que me den una oportunidad, que no me...
All I ask is to give me a chance to plead my case. I was so young, I made one mistake.
That mistake was missing a court hearing in 2012, which issued her an order of removal that signifies she can no longer remain in the U.S. and be deported to her home country.
We have tried to get it reopened, and the judges have said no because she doesn't fit into the very, very narrow criteria of people who can get their removal orders reopened.
Her attorney, Andrea Martinez, says S has been working to erase the order for years and become a U.S. citizen.
She works hard, she pays taxes, and she is raising these two U.S. citizen boys that would otherwise go into foster care and have no one to care for them.
Martinez says S is one of the many migrants in the metro who are not criminals, but feel they could be deported.
My clients are terrified and are constantly calling on a daily basis, asking whether they're going to be safe, whether their family is going to be safe.
In the metro, ICE has made their presence known. Agents were seen entering El Potro Mexican Cafe and Cantina in Liberty in February, looking for a person who had committed a violent crime against a child. That's according to Clay County Sheriff Will Aiken.
ICE entered that place with no warrants, and the settlement agreement says that ICE has to enter places in Kansas and Missouri with valid warrants.
We asked ICE about the warrants, but they didn't give us an answer. S works a strenuous manual labor job that she feels she can't get in her home country for a good pay.
Todos tenemos sueños.
I wish they would give a chance to all of us who have come with dreams and the need to provide for our families.
She pleads that the courts see her work ethic and dedication to stay in America and give her kids a better life.
Luego que...
I beg and I plead for another chance. We all deserve a second chance. I've been fighting for this for so long. I just want a chance.
Jackson Kurtz, KMBC 9 News.
A court of appeals has denied her latest request to erase the order of a removal.